Before you buy any expensive hair growth products, give me just a few minutes because what I'm about to show you costs very little to make. Take 1 minute to prepare, and it will be the secret remedy why Indian women has the longest, fuller, healthier, thicker hair ever. And that is why this remedy has become one of the most talking about natural hair remedies in many households right now. And the shockiest part, most people already have the main ingredients sitting in their kitchen right now. And yet, they has no idea how powerful it can be when used them correctly. So if you are dealing with hair shedding, hair fall, hair breakage, thinning edges, slow hair growth, then this video is for you. Stay with me to the end because today I will show you exactly how to make it, how to use it, and the biggest mistake to avoid, and why so many people call this grandmother India hair growth secrets. So let's start with Cloves. For generations, Cloves has been used in traditional beauty routines because they are rich in natural compounds that help keep the scalp feeling clean and refreshed. Many people struggle with excessive shedding, thinning edges, dryness, and dull-looking hair. Enjoy using Cloves because they support a healthy scalp environment, and healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Now let's talk about Rosemary. If you have been following hair care trends, you have probably noticed rosemary everywhere. That's because many people use rosemary as part of their hair care routine to support scalp healthy and help their hair feel stronger over time. When Cloves and rosemary are combined, they create a powerful herbal spray that many people enjoy using as part of their healthy hair journey. But here is what most people do wrong. They either use the wrong measurements or prepare it incorrectly. So let me show you exactly method to use for good results. For this recipe, you need 2 tablespoons of your Cloves, 2 tablespoons of your dry rosemary or fresh rosemary. Then bring a clean pot. Transfer all the ingredients into your clean pot. Then add 1.5 cup of water or 2 cups of water, depending on the cup measurement you are using. Then add everything into the pot. Then place the pot on a medium heat. Once it begins boiling, reduce the heat and allow it to steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. Watch the color carefully. You see the water gently transform into a rich color. That is exactly what we want. So it can allow it to cool down completely, then it's ready to be used. But if you want it to be more stronger, then cover the pot and allow it to cool down for several hours or even overnight. It will be more stronger, okay? After that, then strain it out with your shifter and a bowl to collect your India secret hair growth remedy. So the next thing I will add it is vitamin E. If you don't have vitamin E, please just skip it, okay? But if you have it, also add it because vitamin E also have its own powerful benefits in our hair, okay? So after adding my vitamin E, this is what I have so far, okay? This powerful India secret remedy is very, very potent, very, very effective. This is the correct way to prepare this hair growth spray and get that good results. Now look at that beautiful color. Your India hair growth secret remedy with Cloves and rosemary water is now ready, but do not use it yet because many people make a mistake right here. Mistake number 1, leaving it outside. This recipe contains no preservative. Store it in the refrigerator and use it within 7 to 10 days. Mistake number 2, using it once and expecting dramatical results. Consistent matters. Many people incorporate it into their routine several times a week. Mistake number 3, applying it only to the hair strands. This is primarily a scalp spray focused on the root and the scalp. Mistake number 4, skipping scalp massage. This is one of the most overlooked steps, and here is exactly why. So now let me show you the correct way to use this spray to achieve that massive hair growth. As you can see, those growth I have on my hair, it does not happen overnight. It's consistent and right technique. Okay, so now the most important part it must do to achieve the same result or more than good result achieve by using exactly this India hair growth secret remedy. First thing you must do is to work in session. Divide your hair in a session. Do not skip it, whether your hair is in a protective hairstyle or not. Work in session. Second step you must follow is to use the tea in a warm stage. Do not use it in a cold stage. As you can see, I put hot water in a bowl, then put the spray on top of the hot water and make the tea to be a little bit warm before I apply it on my hair. This is another powerful technique I follow that helped me to achieve that crazy result you saw there. Okay, so now after doing that, then I spray this directly on my scalp. Your main focus should be on your scalp because the scalp is where the hair growth is coming from and also where you can solve any of your hair issue you are having. And also if you want to tackle any of part of your hair like your edges, your crown section, your hair nipple, any part of your hair you want to this spray to help you to regrow, then apply it on that particular place. Now massage your scalp. Don't skip scalp massage. It's very important. Okay, massage your scalp gently like 5 minutes or 7 minutes. It helps to distribute the product very well on your scalp and also increase blood circulation and also help this India secret remedy to help you grow your hair faster and see better results with it. Okay, so continue with this step until you have covered all your entire scalp and also your hair strands. So you can also spray this on your hair strands, okay, but just very little, but your main focus should be on the scalp. Okay, so after spraying it all over your hair, so the next thing you follow up now is a leave-in conditioner, your butter and your oil. Use the oil on the scalp to massage your scalp more, then use the leave-in conditioner and the butter on your hair strands. Okay, it's very important because this spray is not a rinser spray, it's a leave-in spray. I repeat, it's not a rinser spray. Do not rinse it out or do not wash it out. It's a leave-in treatment. Okay, so if you want to get that good result, allow this spray to sit on your hair and give you that good results. Okay, this is the perfect time to use this spray before bedtime. This is the time I normally like to use mine. Before the bedtime, I'll apply this spray on my hair, then before I'll go to the sleep. So if you are looking for recommendation, I would recommend you to use it before bedtime. You get more faster results with it. Okay, so because it's very simple and remember, it's not a rinse out treatment. Okay, when I started using this India hair growth secret spray, the first thing I noticed was not length, it was not shedding. I started seeing less hair in my comb, less hair during wash day. My scalp felt fresher, my hair looked shiner, and over time my hair routine felt much more enjoyable. But when I stay consistent, I started noticing crazy faster hair growth, thicker hair, longer hair and more length retention. But remember, everyone hair journey is different. Okay, and that is why many people enjoy using Cloves and Rosemary because they help support a healthy scalp care routine. So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used Cloves for hair growth, or have you ever tried Rosemary for hair growth? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, and if you are planning to join this recipe, comment Cloves power in the comment section below, okay, so that I will know you are joining this challenge. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification for more hair growth remedies, DIY sprays, wash day routines and natural hair care secrets. Okay, so guys, I have come to end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay consistent, be patient with your hair journey, okay, and you see the magic start happening. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.